In this video, I'm gonna explain how to import Lightroom presets into Lightroom CC and Lightroom Classic. Just note that this is only for the paid version of Lightroom. If you want to know how to import Lightroom in the free mobile version of Lightroom, then go to my other video. Also, you get a little preview on how my presets look like on different photos and how to add your own personal touch. So, here we go! Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to download and install the Lightroom presets on the desktop version. So I'm gonna show you with the Ultimate Pack. Add to cart. So this is my Vintage and my Tropical pack combined, which contains 20 presets, 10 different ones with all a JPEG and a RAW version. And you can use them on different photos, different editing settings, perfect for vintage photos, tropical photos, beach, photos with blue tones, green tones. Anyway, let's move on. View card. Proceed to checkout. Then you fill in all your details. La la la. And then when you have gone through the whole purchase process, you will end up on this page, which is the checkout page. It looks like this. And then you will receive an email where you can download your presets. Just click download, go to your download folder, you open the file, ta-da! Click download, and then you end up at Dropbox, where you see the desktop and a mobile version of the presets. So click on the desktop, and here you see all the presets. So click download, and then they will end up in your download folder in a zip file. So you double click to open it, and then let's go to Lightroom CC. Good luck, because it's very easy to install the presets in the Lightroom version, in the paid one. And if you have the mobile version as well, the paid one, it's very easy because the presets just synchronize with the desktop version. So in Belgium we would say 2 vliegen in één klap. Hello Lightroom. Alright, now here in the top right corner you see like these 3 stripes with dots on them. You click, then below you see presets, click, and then I already imported them because I created them in here, but if it's the first time that you import presets, you go to these 3 little dots in the right top corner, you click, import presets, super easy. You go to your download folder, you open the blue folder, and here all your presets, you select them and click import. I'm not gonna do it now because I already imported them. And that's it for Lightroom CC. It's super easy for the desktop version. Just want to say this is only when you have the paid version of Lightroom. And then if you see all your presets in here, you can start playing around with them. You can choose different ones. Not every preset will work well on every photo. Like you see, gone surfing does not look good at all on this selfie. This one is way too warm, but then if you see sun-kissed, I like that one. Or sun-kissed raw. Now, let's choose this one for example. This is a really good photo because it works very well with almost all of the presets. Sun-kissed is a little bit more blue. Blue Lagoon is a little bit more turquoise. Pink Sunset, of course, is only gonna work well with sunset or sunrise photos. Retro Blue, also a little bit more blue. Lollipop is a little bit more purple. Oh, I like Summer Film. It gives you that really vintage summer look. And Faded Dreams. So that was Lightroom CC. Now I'm gonna explain you Lightroom Classic, which is almost the same thing. It's super easy. It's only to install them on the mobile version. On the free version that it's a little bit more complicated. When you open Lightroom Classic, you probably end up in this screen on the library. So what you want to do, you go to develop, and then here on top you see presets. I already have them in there as well, but again, if you're just installing them now for the first time, you click the plus, create import preset. You go to downloads folder, desktop, select them all, import, and then they will show up here as well. So that was the desktop version. Oh wait, I want to show you one more thing. A preset is really good to start with and then add your own personal touch. So for example, if you add a preset and you think it's a little bit too dark or you're too tanned or whatever, or it needs to be fixed up, you can go here to the settings and you can still change them. So you can still add some extra exposure or make it a bit darker, remove more shadows, add more shadows depending on what you like, your own style. Another very important one, if you want to be more tanned, super important because I like to be in the sun and I like to look tanned, you go to the color mixer, you click the orange dot, and here with the luminance, if you play around with this one, you can make yourself look really dark or really white. So you can just choose however you like your look. Ta-da! I like this one. And then, for example, with the vintage ones, often have a lot of grain, but you might not like this so much, so you can always just remove a bit, or if you really like it, you can add more. So this is how you install Lightroom if you have the paid version. If you want to know some more tips and tricks, then definitely check out my video how I edit my photos. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Ciao!